What is going on, boys? We're talking video 2 here. Look at us. We're at Black Chinchompers. I actually recorded this like 3 in the morning, so like I wasn't talking, so like we're talking now. But this guy's attacking me. I'm claiming my Chinchompers. They're 3k each. He attacks me. He doesn't. Look at him. He's a noob. He doesn't know what to expect, lad. He doesn't know who I am. And that's it. I'm looking at him. Arrow straight to the dome, lad. Elder Maul's coming in strong. Hits a 20, nothing. But oh, okay. Big G Maul spec. See you later, lad. Give me that loot. That was like a 600k PK. That was nice. Take that, lad. Oh, another guy's attacking me. This one's pretty funny. Like, I should have died so bad here. This is his RNG was just not with him today, boys. Like it was, but like watch this. 40, 72. Oh my goodness, 1 HP. Still survived, boys. Still survived. See you later. He's not happy with that. He's not happy. He just carries on it at me. Don't know why I'm like commentating it. I've seen this clip before, many a time. In fact, I actually recorded this clip, boys. Watch this. He plays me so hard here. This is embarrassing. Hits me with the freeze. Freezes me in place. Drops drops his. Imagine if I had Telegram and just took that. Imagine. He would have been fuming. Absolutely fuming. Oh, boys, I'm sneezing. Right, I'm anti-eager. I didn't even realise I'm battling. Alright, here we go. What? Oh my god. Oh my god, that is smite him for an AGS? No way. Oh, BGS, you joking? Where's this guy? Where's this going? Smite me, let's go on it. Sit. See you later. Kill me. Not. Revenge. Bounce me AGS off him. Shoots me 63. Crap. It's alright. You know, I'm gonna say. I should not have said that. Don't know what you can hit. Get some numbers, I'll take that. Right, big hit. That's decent. That's not decent. So on. See you later. Just tearing heads here, boys. This AGS is broken. Jesus Christ. Surely, boys. It's about to go. He's gone. See you later. Fully apologise about some of the low volume in these clips, boys, but watch this. That Panic 07, I don't know if you know him on YouTube. Lad, he almost anti-rushed this guy with like claws and torture amulet. Lad probably had the B ring. I don't know. Yeah, that was cool. But yeah, I apologise because it was like 3 in the morning, but I'm just gonna leave the audio in there. But you see, it's kind of low, so the video's a little bit boring. But enjoy. Black Meadow. Thinks he can beat me. Can I manage that? Yep. Think so, lad. Oh, see you later. Go on. Where's your Black Meadow? See you later then. Oh, one of this guy hit me. Feathers 92. Oh, we got Black Meadow on this Meadow on that. Oh. Wait, what is this guy doing? I'm literally unpacked. He's gone. No. What the hell? What is going on, boys? That was awful. Why did I do that? Awful bit of careful. See, kind of lower. Might be able to bait himself. Bait him to kill himself. That's it. As if. Damn. First death. First death and I messed up. Good luck to this guy, man. Panic 07 is good, but I'm dead. Oh! Oh. Don't even know what I said. Small playing stronger. Really just need like a nice hit. Oh my god, I'm gonna risk it. How? Why am I? How is this person alive? Honestly. Right, she's got she's gonna try to get me on one. That's it. Use it to the advantage, boys. Kill yourself. What? That's it. See you later. Took so much longer than it should have. This guy really. Right, watch this fight, boys. I was previewing this fight. So he's attacked me before. He couldn't get the kill on me because I'm just too good, obviously. Don't joke it. But he couldn't get the kill on me. I kill him, right? Oh my! Kill him right here. So he gets lucky. He could have killed himself there easily. Right, we get the kill. What's the loot pile? Should have died. Literally 15k, boys. That was his entire loot. Was 15k. What? What is that? Can't expect me a 63 lad. Bring. Nope. Don't think so. believe Gmaul's back going bigger. Kill yourself. See you later, lad. That was retarded. So. That's it. Nice range, mate. So retarded, lad. R4Y. I could be dying here. That was retarded of me. I'm like calling him a retard and then I'm retarded. I just wasted my revenge. He's gonna spec out. Nope. Give me that room. Chips G, boy. That was. I could have almost died so easily there. That would have been so bad dying to this guy twice smoke. I've not even potted. I still haven't even potted. Alright. I've got a plan here, boys. Yep. That's it. See you later. That wasn't the plan, but he died. Just gonna try to predict his hit. Oh my god, boys. Right, we go, boys. Last few fights. I'll go until I die. But this determines how long this video is gonna be. That was dope. $55, boys. 55. What the hell was that? I just died, but I think I got all my stuff back. Oh my god, boys. As if. It cost me nothing. Right, I'm a good guy, so. $32. Oh my god, these hits are mad thing. I'm dead. He's dead. See you later. I don't know how I just got that. Definitely should have been his kill. Right, here we go, boys. Game changer. We got a loop. We could rematch. Loves this loop. 38. Is that good? We can open it 55s. All I want to see is a 55 right now. 44. We're just comboing. As if I just died to that again. That was retarded. I'm awful.